chill. You see that building? People come there to chill at the evening and have and relax, enjoy life, have everything you see up there at the rooftop. They're just enjoying things. So this is Kilifi town. We are currently at Kilifi town. So the tall building you see right there is a hotel. It's just a hotel, and right there, this is the amazing Kilifi town. So this building right here, it's a supermarket down there. It's just a kind of a supermarket. Yeah. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude, and if it's your very first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I'm coming live from Kilifi town. So I just traveled from Tuapa to Kilifi to come and pay a visit right here. And as I was going to pay, as I was exploring this side, I just met with one of my friends, my long-time classmates. We just schooled with her in a school, a certain school. It was a primary school, guys. So can't wait to show you who she is. Man, it's really like I'm very much blessed because wherever I go, I just meet new people. But these just like for around 6 to 7 years. Yeah, 6 to 7 years. 7 years actually down the line. Yeah, since we finished class 8, we just parted that way. She went to a girls' school, and also you'll see you there. So as you see right here, guys, it says Kilifi Bridge. Kilifi Bridge. So this is the bridge. Start from this place right here, and it goes the other way, and it shows you this arm of the Great Indian Ocean right here. So this bridge actually connects Mombasa County, Tuapa County, with what we call like Kilifi County. So this is the biggest bridge actually. You can come sit here, you see. I hope you see this place right here. It's very large. Aise kulikuwa na baridi. So this marks the end of this bridge. It goes up to 600 meters. Yeah, actually for me to approximate from this side to the other side, from this place right here to the other side right there, and you see the amazing view. That's amazing view of Kilifi town right there. So this bridge right here, so right this place right here, it marks the end of the bridge. So this bridge goes up to maybe 800 meters to the other side right there. So it's just amazing. Yeah, so guys, as I was exploring right here, I just met with my long-term friends. Maybe you wanna say hi right here.
Hi.
Yes.
Friends to keep. Make sure you keep your friends and depart safely and with friendship.
Yeah. For sure, guys. Actually, she is one of my best friends. Sorry for the tracks because we are at this bridge right here. So she's one of my long-term friends. Actually, how many years? You know?
8 years, 6 years if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, actually, guys, since we were in primary school. So just 8 years down the line, and just she recognized me, you know. It's really nice. So, and also she has a friend right there. Maybe you wanna say?
Meet my friend.
Yes. What's your name? Yes. Maybe you should say hi to the camera right here. She's afraid of the camera, guys. So don't worry. Yeah. So should introduce herself and tell you people who she is, you know. Yeah, so you are welcome at the audience right here.
Okay, thank you. Some light.
Yes, tells us how she's feeling here, being have a staycation at Mombasa right here. Yes,
it feels good, guys. You need to come and have a view of how much Kenya is beautiful.
Yeah,
like
wow.
Real, this is a nice place to be.
Yes.
A nice place to explore. It's the best actually. You need to come over and have a view of the Indian Ocean, the hospitality of the residents.
Yes.
It's the best place to be, guys.
Wow.
You're welcome to Kenya, man.
Yeah, so I have some few questions to ask, you know. How did you find it here in Mombasa?
It's a cool place. The weather is fine.
Yes.
Hot, I mean.
Yes.
Apart from our home,
Wow.
cold there, but here,
Yes.
hot, warm, and the residents are hospitable.
Wow.
And the place is actually, you need to come, guys, you need to come. I don't know how to explain more, but you need to come here.
And they will do it by themselves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how many years, like, since we departed from the school, you know? Actually, in our primary school, we used to school. She used to be my classmate and sometimes my desk mate, you know? Yeah, but we did our final exam and, you know, she went her side, I went my side. So how many years down the line?
6 or 8 years, if I'm not wrong.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a long time.
For sure, it's around 6 years, guys. Just imagine 6 years and Claude Joseph is just recognized. Am I not growing old?
You are, you're pretty grown and you have changed a big deal.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
But with me, the funny thing is like very small. My body doesn't change.
You're not eating. You need to start eating.
Really?
Just grown tall a little bit. And yeah.
Those days in school I used to be somehow light skin.
Yeah.
Man, guys. But my sister here, she started to tell me like nowadays I've just grown tall. Whenever I just see myself, like I'm very, very short. I'm like acidico. Yeah, but right here you see, like, man, actually she's taller than me.
Yeah.
For sure. So, what do you take here in Mombasa?
I'm a student at Kwani University.
Wow.
And I'm taking my bachelor's degree in hospitality and tourism management.
Wow, that's very nice. Actually, guys, we have to. That's a truck right there. It's just passing here and there. You know, we are at the roadside because I just met her right here. More videos wanna be coming with her. Some exclusive interviews with her. She wanna be telling us more about Mombasa. Actually, she's at Kilifi. So as I was exploring Kilifi, I just met her and was like, man, Claude. And I was like, really? So yeah, but she recognized me because we just schooled with her since, was it since class 6 or 7? 6. This class, so like somebody who has been with him or her for maybe 3 years. It's very, very rare for you to forget him or her. So right here she is. She's a student at Pwani University. This is one of the amazing universities here we have in Kenya. Kindly come pay a visit here, and if you are willing to come and pay a visit, come visit Pwani. Or if you wanna be maybe trying to upgrade your studies, come at Pwani.
Yeah, guys, you're welcome. It's the best university to be.
Wow.
You're welcome.
For sure, guys. Yeah. So with me, I don't have much to say. Maybe we wanna be ending this video here. More videos wanna be coming with you, exploring right here. We were exploring this. It's called. Wow, this is Kilifi Bridge right here because we have so many different bridges. We have Mtwapa Bridge, and this bridge here, it's called Kilifi Bridge. So maybe I wanna be showing you what it means right here. So this is the emblem right here. It shows that this bridge was officially opened by His Excellency Honorable Daniel Dorotich Arap Moi, the President and a Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Republic of Kenya on 15th May 1991. So actually this year I was not even born. It was officially opened by late President Daniel Dorotich Arap Moi. He was the second president. Wow. Actually guys, nowadays I just shocked with my sister right here because those days back in school, she used to be very quiet, very silent, you know. And I was like, is this the silent girl I knew? You know?
I'm still the one. I'm not changed actually. I'm silent. It's only that I need to show you how beautiful this place is.
Actually, guys, that's it. She used to be very silent, very silent. But you can see, nowadays I was like, man, maybe the last word before we end this video.
So guys, before we end this video, I need to tell you, need to support my brother. So like, comment and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
For sure.
I will appreciate and he too will appreciate. Don't forget
guys.
to like, to comment and to subscribe.
Man, the short boy right here.
Yeah.
And nowadays I'm told that I'm growing taller. But the thing is, that's nature. You know, you can't complain about nature. When nature decides to take you that way, it's that way. With me, I can't complain. If that's how my hormones like are trying to take me, they may be shorter then. But she tells me that I'm growing taller. Maybe. So thank you so much, guys. And if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Do you have any platform? Maybe TikTok, maybe Instagram?
Yeah, guys, I'm in TikTok. You can follow me at Sanilabrado181.
Yeah.
And IG, you can also follow me.
Yes.
At lady_v.
Wow. So guys, I wanna be pinning her Instagram page right below at the description point. Actually, go check her out. Yeah. So maybe you wanna say bye bye. It was nice meeting you.
Adios.
Wow, it was really nice meeting her right here, man.
Yeah.
Long-term friend. So bye bye, guys. Subscribe.